Brand new Nike SB Dunk added to the collection, plus in the spirit of Valentine's Day, a giveaway with Lids hat drop. The Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Adobe. Now, the official release date is set actually for March 1st, but so many skate shops already have these out and available, so it may just depend on where you are locally. Shout out to Lilac Blonde for supplying me with this pair. If you hear Adobe and automatically think Photoshop, that's fine, you're not alone there. But this actual definition for Adobe, think of a brick or building material made of sun-dried mixture of earth and straw, hence the red clay-like colorway of this pair. Nike kept it consistent on the earthy theme. We have a gum bottom outsole and midsole, and you may have noticed the wheat laces that complements the shoe so well, similar to the gum bottom. Yeah, I actually swapped those in myself. Now this SB is a little bit different, right? We have wax canvas instead of the traditional leather on a lot of the underlays, and this very graphic insole. Yes, there's an entire how-to guide on the actual insole, how to smell the flowers, that's there. I think you can make that out. And then with the rest of it, you have to kind of pay close attention, but not your traditional, just boring Nike SB stamp on the insole. I appreciate that. You have Nike in white stitched on the rear heel. You also have the white sock liner of this shoe to complement the darker, rich Adobe tones. And as stated, these will come with flat Adobe laces, but then you also get flat white laces. They just didn't do it for me. I like a traditional SB look. Similar to most Nike SB Dunk Lows I own, this is true to size. I can also go up a half size to a men's 6.5 and be quite fine. Some people size up by half no matter what, just because of the thicker tongue, and this can fit a little bit tighter. You have the elastic on the interior on either side of the tongue to actually hold this shoe onto the foot of someone skating. Remember, it is intended for skateboarders, so keep that in mind. So if you don't want a tighter fit, then sure, go up a half size. In my personal opinion, Nike SBs are more comfortable than traditional Dunk Low. Some don't feel that way. I do, however. So 3 quick looks for the very first one here. Fear of God Essentials cable knit sweater in the newer coral colorway. I'm wearing a size extra small because this is quite oversized. And the Richie Lee collection pleated wool sweats. I'm wearing these in the darker colorway offered. And yes, I'm wearing a small and they fit perfect. Staying true to the top, coordinating extremely well with the kicks, wearing a super distressed airy crew neck. It's from the women's section, aka airy, for American Eagle, and super distressed baggy mom jeans. I love a great pair of distressed denim. I think it just goes along really well with the earthier look. Again, this is just my personal opinion, but a great pair of denim, a coordinating shirt, and the Nike certified lover boy hat in white. This 2-piece set here you see is actually launching on February 7th at noon Eastern by Lilac Blonde. It's titled the Hands and Heart Collection. They partnered with a local artist, Kenton Hopus. And the entire point of this collection, the graphic on the back, it represents the love each of us puts out into the world. I'm wearing a size medium in both the hoodie and the sweats. They're super lightweight, so I actually think they're perfect for spring. Nice for layering a jacket on top, as you see, worn by myself here. Very comfortable, and with any order that you have, you will receive something special. That's just standard when it comes to Lilac Blonde. But more importantly, 10% of each sale will go towards the National Breast Cancer Awareness Foundation, and that is something near and dear to their hearts for both Abby and her dad, and I absolutely love they give back every opportunity they have, and with everyone that supports, you know your money is going towards a good cause as well. And just to show the difference of the wax canvas underlay you have on the Adobe pair versus the traditional leather on the toe for the reverse Papa Bear. And yes, again, I swapped laces with this pair for my Adobe pair. Lately, it's been a little heavy, and in respect of this being a skateboarding pair, I just wanted to say rest in peace to Tyre Nichols, gone too soon. Okay, so here's how you enter for a chance to win this fitted right here, part of the Shortcake collection with Lids hat drop. It is a size 7 1/8. So if that's you, or you want to buy this for a significant other or just a friend to show love this holiday season, you can do that. This will be based on Instagram. Sorry for those of you who don't have it. But if you're on Instagram, your profile needs to be public so that I can see that you're following the rules. So follow myself at talks.with.tj. Also make sure that you're following Lid's hat drop, or the comment section of this video. Go ahead and comment your Instagram handle. But then also I would love to know if you're a fan of rom-coms, and if so, like, what's your favorite? Because we are approaching Valentine's Day. So in the spirit of that, go ahead. Those are the rules, and I'll go ahead and list them in the description box below so I can send one of you this hat as a gift for Valentine's Day. And just know, like, yeah, you also need to be in the United States just to make it easier on myself. But hopefully you guys enjoy, and whoever is the lucky winner, I really hope you enjoy. No, I'm not wearing a fitted in this video, but you know, listen, Valentine's Day, the whole spirit. I'm on my certified lover girl vibe. Not looking for love this holiday season, okay? But happy to spread it with you guys, so be sure to enter the giveaway if that's something you're interested in, and that will end. I'll go ahead and pick the winner on February 11th. But in terms of another Nike SB Dunk Low added, listen, the universe was listening, because what did I say? Started this year, I was really hoping that the year would look real SB-ish, and leave it to Lilac Blonde to make sure that I'm getting there. So I always appreciate working with them. If you guys weren't aware, you haven't seen previous videos, I've worked with them for the Almamon Air Jordan 3, the women's Air Jordan 1 High Seafoam, and now for this pair, but also for a previous collection they did for their apparel with the Nike SB Dunk Low Para. So now I have the Adobe, and you guys were able to see part of their brand new collection for Valentine's Day. It is available in both adult sizing and in kid sizing. I'm wearing a medium, as noted in the video earlier, and I'll put their link below so you can shop, because it officially drops on February 7th, sorry, officially drops on February 7th. So I want you guys to have a chance to browse the site, but browse for more than just the collection. Browse, ladies especially, if there are pairs you missed out on and you've been saving your coins up and you're like, you know what, I just can't find my size anywhere, but I also want to have a good experience. One thing I love, they're always going to throw something a little bit extra into the package that's sent your way. So you'll get the little goodie bags, you'll get just really good attention, and you'll get great customer service, because that's what they want to make sure they provide. Every single experience for every person, and majority of their consumer base, it's women. They're catering to the smaller feet, and you guys know, like, we're just not shown enough love, and they're filling that gap within sneakers, especially in the secondary market. I love that for them. They're such a dynamic duo, dad, daughter, just working together, and you love to see it, especially them sharing a passion for sneakers. I enjoy working with them, and I really hope you guys will just take the chance to explore and support. And guys, it doesn't have to be for your sizes, okay? Listen, girlfriend, wife, mom, sister, aunt, doesn't matter, friend, go ahead and make sure that they stay outfitted extremely well this season. So I appreciate you guys tuning into this video. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.